Hello traders, in this video I am going for a forex trade. I have analyzed the chart completely and I think I have a great opportunity. I will apply the same strategy which I use in binary trading and will show you that the strategy that I am using on binary can work on the forex as well. Let's get started. First of all, let's understand what I read on this chart. So the analysis is simple. If we go by trend, it's a simple downtrend. This is the high, low. Market created this lower high and here it tried to reverse but failed and it closes below, and again market goes up and here it goes down. What do you see? This is the high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high and lower low. It simply suggests that the trend is downtrend, and right now market is pulling back, which means that this is the pullback phase. We all know that after the run the market pull back, the run and the pullback. So this is the run and now market is pulling back, so which means that market can go down in the future. We are going to use the same to place a trade in the downward direction because that's where the market will go in the future. So on 1 hour chart the analysis is simple. Market will go down, as you can see on this candle. This is it's a very strong candle and it came at the support level. As you can see, this is a very strong candle and market will going to fall down, and after analyzing I can say that we are going to put our stop losses somewhere around here and our target will be somewhere around here, because if you look carefully here, this is the previous support and it can reverse the market. So we are going to use this particular support as the target level. So let's shift to the 1 minute time frame, because then only we can place our trade successfully. You can see that market broke in the downward direction. First of all, let me go for the profit target for the stop loss little bit above this recent resistance, because market goes up and break this particular zone, then market will go in the upward direction. And if we analyze this chart, it is simply that this is a double top pattern. Market created this zone here and after that it broke in the downward direction. Previously the trend was uptrend on a smaller scale, on a 1 minute time frame. You can see this market was creating swing highs constantly, but after that it failed to create swing highs and it reverses from the same high, which means that the momentum loss was there and market failed to create new high and it broke below the recent support level. This was the recent support, also the swing low, and market broke it here, which means that market now will fall down. So we have placed our trade. Now we will have to wait for the result, because I know that the market will fall and will hit this particular level. Right now on the leaderboard I am at the 16th position, and after winning this trade I guess I will reach at number 12, I guess. So let's wait for that. As on 1 minute time frame, I can see that the trend is downtrend. So I decided to take one trade downward direction with my binary option strategy. So let's wait for that particular opportunity. And as soon as I have that opportunity, I will take the trade, because the situation is favorable. We just need confirmation from the sellers and then we are good to place a trade. So let's wait. Now this is a great opportunity to place a trade in the downward direction. We just have to wait for this candle to close below this recent support and we are good to go. And it looks like that this candle is going to break this particular support level, and you can see in the 5 second this candle is going to close. And so we have placed our trade. Now let's wait for the result. The reason for placing this trade was very simple. Let's understand first of all with the price action. The price action, it's a downtrend price action, which means that market will create swing highs and then it will run and will create a swing low. This was a trend resistance level. Market reached that height and after that it reverses and gave a price action of reversal. Now for me, the in the future market needs to go down, because on the 1 hour chart also this is a downtrend market. As soon as market reach this resistance trend line, the price action previously was like that, but after that the uptrend price action converted. It failed to create new high, reverses and closes here. Now if I just remove this, you will see that market created a swing pattern in which it is suggesting that market should go down, because this was the highest point. Let me show you in the 5 second, and then you will understand. Market created the swing high, it goes down, but it failed to create a new high, which means that there is a loss of momentum. After that market fall and created this particular pattern. This is a pattern which suggests that market should be going down, because this is the high low, this is lower high and this is lower low, which means that market should now fall. And as soon as I got the confirmation, the breakout from this particular swing support, this support level, I placed my trade. And we all know that when market goes in the upward direction, these swing lows work as a great support or resistance. Here I waited for the market to break this support level, because after that the price action changed completely. And here, as you can see, now the market is respecting this support level, because these swing lows worked really great. So you have to make sure that you follow these levels clearly. And here I waited for a breakout here of this particular support. Why? Because then only my price action would be a price action of a downtrend, because this was the high low, lower high and lower low. You can see we have booked our profit in the binary. And let's see what's our position. And now we are at number 15, and let's wait for the forex trade to over, and then we will going to reach number 10. So let's wait. So we are at number 11, and today we have taken two trades. One was on the binary and other was on the forex. I have explained you in detail about the setup. So we'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.